We got a big windstorm coming. Just whip it up now and we'll have gusts about 45 miles per hour. And of course, y'all may know that makes Silas and Rain a little nervous, especially Silas. So I'm gonna go out. We got a lot of high winds today, so two of our big bad wolf dogs are coming inside. It's Rain. Rain's not really that scared of it. Scared of the winds. But Silas is. Hey Silas. Hey Silas. You happy to be inside? Hey buddy. Go in there. You'll be okay. There's your safe space. There's your safe space. We got Dobro in there in the bathroom, the bedroom. Busky. That's your safe space, huh? Big bad wolf dog. Yeah. You happy now, huh? So we've got gusts of about 45 miles an hour coming up. Seems to be scent rolling on the washing machine. Rain. I just got to check out every little thing that's been moved around since the last time he was in here. It'll spend quite a while doing that. Why don't you go back in your room, Silas? Go back in your room. Go back in your safe space. There you go. There you go. There you go. Why don't you lie down? No, don't get Jennifer's clothes now. Okay. Here's a big baby, huh? Big baby. You okay, Silas? You gonna stay in here, huh? Yeah, he's gonna stay inside till this wind stops. There's Rain. Okay. All right, Rain. There's your brother from another mother. Why don't you stay in here with him and calm down? You can't be up here. You gotta get down. Get out. Get out, Rain. Rain, get out. Get out, Rain. Get out. Get out, Rain. Get out. Get out. That's it. You stay down there. There you go. You're a dog. You're a wolf dog. Yeah. You're just a wolf dog. Oh, boy. Okay. All right, Rain. Don't you tear anything up, Rain. Can't get on the table, Rain. We all got some water sauce. Come in and check out what's been moved from the last time they were here. Who better, Silas, huh? Your tail's stuck, Silas. Don't mess up my guitar, Silas. Silas usually comes right in and just settles down in his bedroom. Y'all seen my other videos where he didn't want to go outside. You okay, Silas? You okay? I know. He's scary, huh? He's scary. He's okay. Rain. Y'all don't get in Jennifer's clothes now. Y'all gonna be in trouble. Y'all gonna be in trouble. Now, why don't you lay down? Why don't you lay down, right?
If you like this video, and want to learn more about wolves, wolf dogs, and dogs, please hit the like button and subscribe.